You've likely noticed that your I'm Responding screen has changed. This is the new customizable display. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to make this customizable display look as close to the screen you're familiar with as possible. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the gear in the upper right hand corner and choose the option to edit my display. The former I'm Responding screen had a main screen and a toggle view map. Our new display has an emergency screen and a non-emergency screen. First, we're going to set up the non-emergency screen to look like your previous main home screen. In the upper right, we're going to go to Clear Canvas to remove all of these tiles. Confirm. You're going to go to the blue tab on the right and choose the following tiles just by clicking on them. Now Responding, On Duty, Incidents, Apparatus, Events, and Messages. Click the blue tab again to make this menu disappear. Each tile is able to be grabbed and dragged around as needed. The other tiles will adjust to accommodate. Each tile has a backwards L in the lower right hand corner where you can change the size of these tiles. Now I'm just putting my cursor on top of these tiles on the banner on the top to drag them around and put them in the location where I would like them to be. As you can see, I've organized this screen to look similar to the screen you're familiar with. If your agency does not use our scheduling program or the available unavailable function, you may not want the on duty tile at the top. So there's an X here in the corner where you can remove that single tile. You now have the appearance of the I'm Responding screen that you're familiar with in our non-emergency screen. If your agency uses our dispatch function, and you enjoyed the use of our toggle view map, you're going to click on the option for emergency along the top and switch to our emergency mode. These are the default tiles that are in place. We're going to remove those by going to Clear Canvas in the upper right, confirm, then we're going to go to Add Tiles. We're going to add the tile for Now Responding just by clicking on it, Incidents, and then the map. Click the blue tab to hide the menu. Now again, we're going to drag these around and extend the size of the boxes with the L in the lower corner. We're going to extend the map to fill up the rest of the screen. Now this is your emergency screen. When a dispatch arrives at I'm Responding, it's automatically going to load this screen showing you who's responding, the incident details, and a map to the call. We have our non-emergency screen, which mimics your previous home screen, and your emergency screen, which mimics your toggle view map. So you can see that we've now configured your non-emergency screen to look like your previous home screen, and the emergency screen to look similar to your previous toggle view mapping screen. When you're all done, you're going to hit the word Done in the upper right hand corner. If you want to turn on the scrolling message bar along the bottom of the screen, go to the gear in the upper right. Click on Message Scroll On. You'll see that red bar pop up along the bottom of the screen. You can control the scrolling message bar with this Messages tile in the lower right. When you click on this icon next to the gear, you can add, edit, and delete messages, and the gear itself will open a menu along the side. In order to activate the emergency screen, if you have not done so, we're going to go to the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left, which is where you now access your scheduling functions, your administrative functions. We're going to go to the administrative functions, system settings, and automatic toggle view. We're going to want to turn on the toggle view, set it to yes, and then change the length of time. From anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes is what we see most users utilize. This will have your screen switch from the non-emergency to the emergency screen whenever a dispatch is received by our system. Be sure to hit the button that says Update. You now have your screen looking similar to what you're familiar with. I do want to point you in the direction of some of our training videos where you can get more information. Go to the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left, go to our Help option. You're going to see an option here for video tutorials with a link. This will take you to our YouTube video training page. There is a video here called Customizable Display that explains in full detail all the options for customizing your screen. There are other videos that explain our mapping tools and how to utilize the screen in our system more efficiently. So please take a look at these videos to learn more about our system. If you do have more questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help out and get your screen looking in a way that is most beneficial to your agency.